FBD Home Insurance Ireland app. The pros, the cons. The FBD Home Insurance Ireland app is designed to simplify how you manage your home insurance. Most people think it's just for checking policy details, but the surprising truth is that it allows you to submit claims, track premiums, access digital cards, and contact customer support directly from your phone. Claims management is a key strength. You can report damage, upload photos, and follow the progress of your claim in real time. Digital cards make proving coverage quick and easy, whether for inspections, mortgage requirements, or emergencies. Premium tracking is clear, with reminders and a full history of past payments. The app also lets you update personal details, adjust coverage, and reach customer support without waiting on hold. Helpful resources like home safety guides and claim filing tips help prevent problems before they occur. On the downside, offline functionality is limited, and uploading large files or accessing older claims can be slow. Advanced features like policy comparison and coverage optimization are more robust on the desktop version. In conclusion, the FBD Home Insurance Ireland app is a reliable and user-friendly platform for managing home insurance. Its main strengths are efficient claims handling, accessible digital cards, and easy premium tracking. While some advanced tools are limited, it provides all the essentials to confidently manage your coverage from anywhere.